Here are the finished details on the mid-century coffee table restoration. I waited 48 hours after the last coat of oil finish to paint the inset black. When the paint dries, I apply a coat of black glaze. I retouched that spot with toned filler, then went over it with my dye pens. I begin with the lightest color first and build up from there, spraying a light coat of shellac over each color base change. I touched up some spots with dye pens. I filled some stubborn scratches with colored wood fill. I did a light coat of liquid shellac and left it to sit overnight. I did a light hand sanding with 600 grit sandpaper. I then wet sanded with 600 grit paper. After wiping down with mineral spirits, I went over it with shellac and rolled it out, nice and evenly. More wet sanding. I used a little tinted shellac.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I am done. I'm fine on my own, and boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through. You say you don't wanna be a thing, but I'm not the one who's calling. I'm tired of waiting for you to change into someone who could love me, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know